What up, I'm Rob Level, and I'd like to thank you for watching today. Recently in a video, I told you about how abusive my stepfather was to me. And I learned that the most powerful way to stop the abuse and negativity was simply to just block and ignore his bitch ass. So today I want to help you understand that there are going to be negative people planted uncomfortably close to you in your life. And these may be family, close friends of family, or even your friends and you don't realize it yet. Now, one of the biggest things that changed my life was learning how to have the discipline to immediately cut anyone off that brings negative into my life or makes me doubt myself for even a millisecond. If you doubt me or even show me an ounce of an emotion towards me I don't like, I don't need you, I don't need anyone, and I don't need that shit, so I will cut you out of my life. Last week, an Instagram model that I really liked, that's past tense, was hanging out with me, and she was a bit tipsy. She had never heard my music before, but she assumed things and said one thing about me being a rapper that I didn't like. And I acted cool, and as soon as she Ubered home, boop, I blocked her and everything.
Damn!
And she doesn't even know why.
Damn!
But that's the thing, I've trained myself. If somebody's gonna make you feel a certain way, or doubt yourself, or doesn't believe in you, get rid of them. I don't care if she looked like a supermodel. I don't care. Boop. Blocked. Next. Nothing that you're gonna do is worth me feeling the way that you'll make me feel. You know? I've worked too hard to get where I'm at. I don't wanna feel, and I don't deserve to feel that way anymore. I felt like that for years. I don't tolerate a single ounce of doubting me or being negative. I don't let a single drip of it come through the cracks in my world, because if I let one negative thought in, if I let one person in, you start letting all of their other thoughts in, and then you start letting more of those people in. And their words, though sometimes obviously incorrect and uninformed, it sparks a thought in your mind, and it sends you down a rabbit hole of self-doubt for no reason. Better to just cut it out completely than let that cancer grow and eat you from the inside out. That's what I've learned. And that's why I don't have a lot of friends, and that's why my circle is exceptionally small, and why I really don't trust many people. I wanna win. I wanna be the best. I wanna live my dreams. I wanna change the world. And changing the world is a crazy thing. So to do that, I need people around me helping me amplify my shine and helping me believe in myself, even though everybody else will call me crazy. Because when I have those people around me, I return that shine to them. Because anybody around me, we're helping each other shine brighter. And we believe in the end goals that we have, so we grow together, because that's the way you better yourself every day to reach the top of the world, and inevitably, with my goals, change the world. So today I want you to go through your list of people that you say that you're friends with, and I want you to find at least 3 people who are not helping you rise, who are not helping you shine. These 3 people can be people that make you doubt yourself, okay? They make you feel a certain type of way. And I want you to block them in your phone. I want you to unfollow them and even block them on social media. They have no use to you. And it sounds harsh, but your time and your energy are all you have every day. Don't waste it on people who aren't worth your energy. That energy should be used towards shining like a superstar that deep down you know that you are and that you're capable of being, Don't just stay friends with people because they're the people who will be your friends. Alcoholics on the street will be my friend. Bums have offered to do heroin with me. Trying to drag me into their screwed up world. I'm like, you want to hang out? I'm like, no. I don't even know you. Anybody will be your friend. You don't get that? They're accepting you, you're accepting them. That's what friendship is, right? Not really, but you do realize that you can accept anybody you want to be your friend, and the other person will accept you as well, especially once you better yourself and you become the type of person through hard work that everybody wants to be friends with. But you're not going to make it to become that person and get to that level if you keep letting these people you think are your friends now hold you back. If they do not help you get to your dreams and your goals, and they don't believe in your dreams and your goals thoroughly 100%, they don't need to be in your life. What's the purpose? I can't think of anybody I was friends with in high school. Can't think of anybody I was friends with after high school I'm still friends with. Why? Because I evolved. I changed. I bettered myself. Did they? No. Well, why would I be friends with them? You're going to be past all these people if you truly want to become something great. So you need to keep only people who are also going to be something great around you, so you can be great and shine together. I know for a lot of people this may seem harsh. You're like, oh, I can't cut and block out family. Well, you know what? Just section yourself off from them. Take a step back. Stop giving them so much of your energy. You live with somebody that's toxic, do everything you possibly can to avoid having to deal with that person, right? I know sometimes parents can be toxic. Well, there's ways around that. Figure out how to not have to really worry about those things, even if it's something such as having this conversation with them, saying, I saw this video today, and it's unfortunate that I feel like you're somebody that I would have to cut out of my life, but I can't, and it's no offense, but I want you to believe in me. You have this conversation with somebody, heartfelt, you tell them this, maybe they'll understand you more. Maybe they'll understand your dreams, especially if you have to live with them. Give them a reason to tell them why they should believe in you. And that could change the whole dynamic between you, So anyways, keep watching these videos when you see them. I'm gonna keep inspiring you because I want you to keep hustling, all right? I'm Rob Level. Keep hustling, and I'll see you at the top.
They be asking me like, Rob, how'd you make it high? Chasing music as a job without suicide. I'm old, it made the money make me blind. Cause all I see is pain when I'm inside. Then they say to me like, Rob, so your Jekyll Heights. We've never seen you sob while you telling lies.